Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix we can't sign in to our account error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Under profile list, you just need to select these one by one and find anything in a profile image path named as a temp under data. As you can see in my case profile image path, as you can see the temp path is listed in the under the data. You just need to check out any other things have it. After that just need to delete this folder guys. Make sure you have this temp under data. If you have temp folder as a path under data profile image path, then you just need to delete this folder guys. Right click and select delete. After that you just need to right click on the numbers with the name like end of it dot bak. You just need to right click on it and select rename option and just backspace this words dot back and press enter. And after doing it, just to close stuff here and restart the PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.